Hello, friends. I'm back. How are you doing today? Hope everything is fine and safe. And welcome back to IELTS Dream Captures.
One, two, three, come on!
Well, nice music, isn't it? Actually, we discuss Band 7 Plus videos in this channel. The ideas which I share will be useful to all the test takers to get a good band score. As usual, I'm here with a super Band 7 Plus video. It's an academic cause and solution essay, and I need to say one thing that please watch the complete video to get proper idea regarding the structure of a cause and solution essay and how to shape the essay to get a good band score. I think you all are well aware of the essay structures, especially a cause and solution essay, because I'm going to discuss a cause and solution essay here. If not, please listen carefully. It is better to write 5 paragraphs for cause and solution essay. The first one is for introduction, second, third, and fourth for body paragraphs, and the fifth one is conclusion. Here, either you can write 2 paragraphs for causes and 1 for solutions, or 1 paragraph for causes and 2 for solutions according to your convenience. That means if you have more points in problems, write 2 paragraphs for problems. But if you are able to write solutions more, please choose 2 paragraphs for solutions. Okay? I think you got it. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment below. Let's see the question now. All over the world, societies are facing a growing problem with obesity. This problem affects both children and adults. What are the reasons for this rise in obesity? How could it be tackled? So this is our question. Please take at least 2 minutes to read and understand the question and what it demands for. Here, the question is asking to find out the reasons for the rise in obesity and solutions to tackle this issue. So you need to find at least 2 to 3 points for each, for problem as well as for solution. Sometimes you may struggle to find 2 points or 3 points, so don't worry. At least you can find 1 point for each. Then you can create a 4 paragraph essay and forget about 5 paragraph. 4 paragraph is well enough to get a good band like band 7. Now let's formulate our introduction. Introduction plays an inevitable role to capture the impression of the evaluator. So, if you're able to write an excellent introduction with clear position and opinion, you're eligible to get a good band score. It's a common thing that most of the scholars lose their score in their introduction itself. An introduction must include a background statement and thesis statement. Do you know what's background statement? Well, I already posted a detailed video regarding how to write a high band introduction. Please watch it from the description box. Okay, so let's see a band 7 introduction for this question now. Communities across the world have been facing a serious health hazard called obesity for the past few decades. It affects both adults and children, irrespective of age. I think the major causes behind this trend are the overconsumption of junk food and lack of physical exercises. It can be addressed through regular bodily exercise and healthy diet habits to a large extent. So, this is my introduction. The first sentence is the paraphrase of the question or the background statement, and rest is my thesis. You can see that in my thesis I've included 2 causes and 2 solutions. The examiner don't want to read the entire essay to understand what are the points I mentioned in my body paragraphs, as I already mentioned it in my thesis sentence. Let's see the body paragraphs now. One of the most common causes of overweight is the unconditional intake of fast food. To be precise, junk foods are enriched with fat and additives, which would enhance the fat absorption mechanism. As such, the body fat metabolism may reduce, and which would cause fat accumulation and obesity. Another important reason which has to be concerned is the limited physical exercises. Adults and children have been relying on electronic gadgets to pass their time for last few years. This novice habit is increased the possibility to get obese. Since children are paying less interest on outdoor activities, some health problems like obesity are very common among them. To epitomize, in remote areas, pupils spend more time to play local games and sports so that they are free from obesity than children from town areas. This is the end of first body paragraph. Let's see the second body paragraph. The most effective way to curtail the junk food consumption is the dependence on homemade food. To make it more clear, meals from home are free from additives and artificial taste inducers so that people would remain active and healthy. Apart from that, people can consume food from healthy kitchen that is free from the use of preservatives, which is inevitable to avoid disease conditions. This is the end of second body paragraph. Let's see the third one now. Obesity can be avoided through physical exercises. There should be a special time for students to practice sports in their schools and even homes to build their body fit. Similarly, an indoor gym is preferable to the employees to avoid the risk of overweight. In my second body paragraph, I concentrated on healthy eating habits, and in my third one, I focused on physical exercises. So I used 2 paragraphs for solutions and 1 for problems. Let's see the conclusion now. Therefore, in my view, obesity is one of the major concerns in the present day due to the uncontrolled consumption of junk foods and limited physical exercises. It can be alleviated, however, by having homemade food and regular exercises. So, this is the end of our essay. Have you noticed my essay? It's very simple. I didn't use any hi-fi vocabulary. I presented my ideas and opinion in a perfect, simple manner. So, I need to say something about the body paragraph now. It's important to write your body paragraphs with topic sentences. Do you know what is a topic sentence? Again, I prefer you to watch my video on how to formulate essay structure. For more details, please check the description box. Well, come back to the point. The topic sentence. It is the central idea of a paragraph. Each body paragraph should have a topic sentence. If you need band 7 plus, okay? Please take it as a tip to get or to boost your band score. So, this is the end of today's video. Don't forget to watch the complete video and please listen the video carefully because I've told many useful things in this video to get a good band score. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Please comment your opinion or any queries.